Let's see how to copy a list in Python without affecting the original. Many beginners make this common mistake when copying a list. For example, we have a list called original list, and there we have these values. Now let's say we want to make a copy of this list. Now you can say what we can do is we can write just copied list. By the way, you can name this anything and just write equal and then assign original list. Sure, you can do that, but it arises a problem. So let me show you. If I write the print statement and pass original list, then again if I write the print statement and pass the copied list and run the code, you will see both printed same list. But what if you want to add an item to the copied list? So what you will do is you will write copied list dot append. Let's say you want to add value 6 to the copied list, which is this one. So if you run the code, as you can see, 6 got appended by the copied list as well as the original list. But that's a problem because you just want to append 6 into the copied list, not in the original list. So it's not the right way to copy a list because both lists gets changed when we do some operations in the copied list. Because in this process we do not create a new list, it just creates another reference to the same list in memory. So to correctly copy a list, what we can do is, let me remove this first. Then let me write the copied list again, and now what we can do is we can write original list, then we can call the copy method. And now if I run the code, we'll see both prints the same list. But now if I try to append something to the copied list, for example copied list dot append, then let's say we want to append 6, and again if I run the code, you will see the copied list appends 6. But the original list does not append 6, and that is what we actually want. Instead of this copy method, we can achieve the same result using the list function. So what we can do is we can call the list function and pass original list. So this will create a copy the list inside this variable. This is also a correct way. So if I run the code, you will see it gives the same behavior what we wanted. And we can achieve this by using list slicing. So for example, if I remove this portion and here, if I say copied list equal original list, then if we do slicing, so if I write square brackets, then just give colon. So as we are not giving some index here and some index here, what it will do is it will slice the whole list and put inside the copied list. So this will work as well. So if I run the code, you can see this also works perfectly fine.